Hi, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and I just picked up at the library Cooking with Kim Joy. Kim Joy was on the Great British Baking Show. I forget what season though. Let me know in the comments below. She was this colorful character and kind of this sweet little nerd, and I was always intrigued by her. Some of her makeup choices and clothing were questionable, but it's always going to be a good time when Kim Joy is there. So I'm delighted that she got a cookbook deal out of being world famous on the Great British Baking Show. Let's check out her cookbook. Looks like my library got it August 2019. Looks like people have been very careful with it or no one's checked it out. Cute and creative bakes to make you smile, it says. Okay, here's the contents. Cakes and frosting. Ooh, cookies and icing. Breads. Square cakes. And little bakes. Ooh, this is going to be fun. Let's check it out. Okay, introduction. These are cookies. Oh, cute. I do not have that kind of skill. Here's a page called Some Things You Might Not Know About Me. Okay, I'll just read the first one and then I'll skip the rest so I don't ruin the surprise for you. I was born in Belgium. My mom is Chinese and originally from Malaysia. And my dad is English. I spoke French and English as a child, but forgot the French when I came to the UK aged 5. Okay, so cakes and frosting. Now, I don't usually make cakes myself other than Betty Crocker or Trader Joe's cake mix. I'm very lazy. No, very busy. But I love to look at cake recipes and pictures of it. Pistachio and cardamom cake with mango saffron jam. Yum. Boring looking cake, but I bet that tastes so good with the saffron in there. Vegan chocolate cake with praline. La la la, I'm not a vegan. Okay, that's nice. Lemon, rose, and raspberry cake. See, she's really good at putting together flavors. Oh, there's not a picture of the ginger pecan and salted caramel cake. I'd rather have a photograph than this little weird illustration. But maybe this cookbook didn't have the budget for that much color photography. Blueberry cake with orange curd. Wow. I'm not going to show you all of them. I'm just kind of giving you a sneak preview. Ooh, orange and amaretto rainbow cake. That's definitely a cake you needed to have a picture of. Wow. Are there directions on how to make all those layers? Yes, there are, sort of. Oh, okay, this is fun. This would be a good gift if you had a friend that really liked the Great British Baking Show. Whoa, I have to show you this one. I have to show you this one. Halloween cake with meringue ghosts. Cute. I'm going to skip ahead. I'm skipping ahead because you can't see everything and you don't want to see the space turtle cake. That's really weird. No, don't. Just skip that part of the book. Okay. Cat paradise cake. So she's playful. Okay. Let's get out of the cakes and get into cookies. Oh, she's teaching you how to temper chocolate, how to make buttercream, cake decorating tips and ideas. Okay, that's useful. Okay. Cookies and icing. Okay. Very pastel book. Uh-oh, there's no pictures already. Ginger cookies, semolina shortbread, basic vegan shortbread, vegan ginger cookies. Okay. Cookie decorating tips and ideas. Okay, I need tips because I'm not very good at it. Okay, she's showing some step-by-steps. That's nice. Okay. Well, now we're getting into breads, and I do remember she made some amazing breads on that TV show. Tangyang cat buns. That is cute. I probably wouldn't try to make that, though. I just don't have time. But here's how you do it. That's helpful. I like that. Tangyang cat member and honey wreath. That's getting a little cheesy and dorky, but here's how you make it. Okay. No need overnight caraway bread. Space turtle melon pan buns. This is getting weird. I'm not sure what the obsession with turtles is. Do I remember that from the show? I don't. Square cakes. This is beautiful. So I take back everything I said about the turtles. That's gorgeous. A firework cake. Love it. Okay. She wins the universe. Lavender and orange cake that looks like autumn. That's beautiful. I've never been served a square cake. Okay, not all of us are that good of an artist, Kim Joy. No, okay. But I'm glad that she is. And the last section is little bakes. Oh, cute. Little macaroons made all fancy. Okay, this is a fun book. Yeah, I'm not going to spoil the rest for you. Passion fruit and strawberry tarts with cat meringues. Meringues. Okay, I don't care for meringues. Chocolate and cherry bear madeleines. Oh, okay. So, that is Baking with Kim Joy. Do any of you own this? Have you already purchased it? If so, what did you think? Did you end up trying to make anything out of it? I'd love to hear in the comments below. Thanks for watching Cookbook Divas. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, or whichever your favorite platform is.